Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove a Facebook profile from your iPhone without deleting it. So let's get started without wasting any time. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. On the login screen, you'll see all your saved profile. Now tap on the More Options menu in the top right corner. Next, select Remove Profiles from this device. After that, choose the profile or profiles you want to remove. Finally, tap on Remove or Confirm when asked. And that's it. The selected profile will be removed only from your iPhone. But don't worry, your Facebook account and data will stay completely safe. You can log in again anytime you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Facebook and iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching.